In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add patterns to Figma Designs, free resources included. We'll take a simple shape, turn it into a reusable tile, and quickly fill your designs with a clean, repeating pattern using only Figma's built-in tools. Start by opening your page in Figma so you're working inside the file that needs the pattern. Next, create a frame that represents the area you want to decorate. This could be a section background, a card, or any container. Using a frame keeps things organized and makes it easy to apply or change the look later. Inside that frame, draw a small shape. It can be anything simple: a dot, a line, a tiny square, or a minimal icon. Keep it small and clear, since this little tile will repeat many times. If you prefer, you can base your tile on any free vector you already have. The goal is to start with something you own and control, so you don't need paid assets. Now, right-click the small shape and choose Copy as PNG. This captures a crisp raster version of that shape without forcing you to export files. Keeping the tile small helps it stay sharp and also makes the pattern feel light and flexible. Paste it onto your canvas. You'll see a tiny image layer appear. With that image selected, look to the right-hand panel and open the fill controls. You'll see the image preview there. Change the image setting to tile. Instantly, Figma repeats your tile across the bounds of that image layer, giving you a seamless pattern. From here, adjust it to taste. Use the scale to control how dense the pattern looks. Rotate the image if you want a different angle. Reduce opacity for a softer texture, or tweak the blend mode for subtle depth over colored backgrounds. If you want the pattern to fill a larger area, just resize the image layer so it spans your frame. Because it's tiled, the repeat will automatically expand with it. When you're happy, you can copy that patterned layer or duplicate it for other sections to keep your style consistent. That's it. You opened your page, created a frame, built a small shape, copied it as PNG, pasted it, switched the fill to tile, and then fine-tuned the look. This method is fast, free, and fully editable, and it works beautifully across your design system.